Welcome. In front of me is HONOR MagicBook X16 Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to pair a Bluetooth device with your laptop. So to do that, click on the three icons in the top right corner of the screen. Then to enable the Bluetooth, make this icon turn the blue color by clicking on it. Then tap on the arrow icon next to it and put your device that you want to connect to in the pairing mode. Unfortunately, I cannot tell you how exactly you can do that because each device has its own settings. So read the manual, then put your device into the pairing mode, and once you do that, the device will appear on the list and you'll simply have to click on it to connect to it. Then you can click on it and select disconnect if you want to disconnect from it. And by clicking more Bluetooth settings, you can see the device on the list of your Bluetooth devices. And even if you're disconnected from it, like I am right now, though it doesn't show, you can remove this device by selecting it right here on the list and selecting remove to confirm. And that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.